नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, यस्टरडे मैंने एक वीडियो शेयर किया था जिसमें बैंक क्लर्क का कंपैरिजन सैलरी अप्रैल 24 का एलआईसी के स्टाफ से किया गया था और हम कहां पे हैं ये उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था। ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर्स एसोसिएशन ने एक सर्कुलर 6 मई को जारी किया था जिसमें उन्होंने ऑफिसर्स, बैंक ऑफिसर्स और एलआईसी ऑफिसर्स का क्या कंपैरिजन है उन्होंने आईबॉक ने, एआईबीओ ने स्वयं दिया है, जिसमें नागराजन साहब का ये पत्र है। टू ऑल स्टेट कमेटी एंड एफिलिएटेड यूनिट्स, ऑफिसर्स वर्किंग इन एलआईसी आर फार अहेड ऑफ बैंक ऑफिसर इन करंट वेज रिवीजन 2। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया वाइड इट्स गजट नोटिफिकेशन डेटेड 30 April 24 has announced its decision to implement the revised scale of pay and allowances with effect from 1st August 22. This time also the scale of pay is far ahead of the pay scales arrived at by the officer union in the banking industry. ये बातें तो बंदली साहब से पूछने लायक है कि क्यों ऐसा हुआ। The wage revision is not an act of the benevolence. It is legitimate demand of the workforce to share in the wealth and the prosperity created by the workforce in the industry. The vast difference in the important parameters need to be placed before the officer fraternity. The details are as under. Date of effect: LIC में 1st August 22, banks में 1st November 22, LIC better placed LIC. Merger of DA, LIC में merger of 8,456 points, while in banks it was 8,088 points. Better placed LIC. Third point, load into basic pay. LIC 16%, banks in 3%. Starting pay of scale 1 88,635, while in bank officers it is 48,480. End of the scale 7 in LIC 3,37,945, while in banks it is 1,73,860. 6 points merged. 528 points merged in LIC. In banks 434 points. Percentage of DA merger in LIC 42.24%, while in banks it is 30.38%. Index figures base year 1960 is equal to 100, and in banks 2016 is equal to 100. Number of beneficiaries workforce 1,10,000 in LIC, while in bank it is 7,72,571 public sector banks alone. Number of pensioner LIC में 30,000, banks में 7,80,000 including SBI. बात करते हैं 11th point में DA points merge up to August 22 and in banks August 21. इन्होंने 11 पैरामीटर्स बताए हैं और 11 पैरामीटर में जहां तक मैं देख रहा हूं 2 पैरामीटर्स ऐसे हैं जहां पे बैंक कुछ बेटर प्लेसमेंट है। अदरवाइज 9 पॉइंट्स में, 9 पैरामीटर्स में LIC इज फॉर बेटर देन द बैंक ऑफिसर्स। एक हमारे साथी ने इस पे कमेंट किया था, मैंने जब कल वीडियो शेयर किया था कि बंगाल में टीचर्स कम सैलरी पाते हैं। We don't compare with the other sector, we only compare with the financial sector which is identical to us. बैंक है, LIC है, RBI है, नाबार्ड है, RRB है, हम उनसे तुलना कर सकते हैं। हम क्लास 1 ऑफिसर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट या बैंक टीचर से तुलना करने की क्या हो सकता है, हम वहीं पे नीचे गिर रहे हैं। इन द लास्ट वेज रिवीजन विद इफेक्ट फ्रॉम 1st August 2017, itself the LIC workforce got DA per 4 points. Raise was 0.08%, meaning that the compensation against the price rise was 108.10%, whereas in the banking industry it was 100%. In addition to this, for reaching improvement, 5 days working was granted to them with effect from 1st August 21. On our organization having observed the serious deviation from the dearness allowance compensatory system granted to LIC workforce by Government of India brought to the notice of all the unions from October 21. Consistently for necessary correction, the arguments articulated in the meeting where the paying capacity of the LIC and also the workforce was also limited. AIBOA, known for its steadfast stand, continued to pursue to rectify the anomaly in the dearness allowance system available in LIC workforce. Under the specious plea of the revising the dearness allowance, 3 members committee constituted came to a conclusion to shift the base year from 1960 to 2016 on 13 October 23 itself, but did not feel the necessity of incorporating the same in the MOU signed on 7 December 23. Leave alone, the other unions were kept in dark about the methodology taken to secure the change bearing the cost borne by the workforce. The entire workforce was unaware of the change brought in, and the central trade unions had objected in the year 2020 itself. 6 point. As far as officers are concerned, in order to have the shift in the base year from 1960 to 2016 from the allocation of rupees 8,024 crores, nearly rupees 900 crores was returned back to the kitty. In a public forum, shifting the base year from 1960 to 2060 is claimed to be victory by the unions, which is otherwise, as the composition of the basket to arrive at the weightage is totally unscientific. Now, in different meetings, the controller of the banking system claims that inflation is mainly on account of the food consumption, which was given a least importance. 7. Comrades, though we may have a solace that without restoring to any actions, we have secured the financial benefit in a shortened span of the time, the LTC monetization available to SBI officers and 5-day week are main demands, which are hanging in suspense. To conclude, why this haste? We shall pursue the demands and pursue the same for a reasonable understanding, though through sustained action program by all officers. S. नागराजन, जनरल सेक्रेटरी। हमारे बैंक ऑफिसर्स के साथ क्या इनजस्टिस हुआ है? आपने पूरा ये पत्र आईबॉक के जनरल सेक्रेटरी श्री एस नागराजन का लिखा हुआ है। कुल मिला के हमको, हमारे बैंक ऑफिसर्स को धोखा दिया है इस यूनियन से, और खासकर से यूओबीओ में भी कि मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एआईबीए जो ऑफिसर्स की बात नहीं करती, लेकिन अड़ंगा हर काम में जरूर लगाती है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।